Hi there and welcome. My name's Alfie and I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham, and today I'm going to be taking you around the new 2023 model Swift Elegance Grande 850, giving you an idea of the interior and exterior of the Caravan as we go through it together. So I hope you enjoy, sit back and relax. So let's start off with the lounge area of the Caravan. As you can see, you've got a nice L-shaped lounge, which is currently in the leather seating, which it can come in two different forms, which we can send you the information on online or by email to yourself, so you can get all the detail of what different fabrics you can get. But as you can see, you've got the nice finish all the way around with the overhead lockers adjacent to each other on both sides. As they open up, they've got a nice bit of storage. As you can see, this one currently has your radio module in, so it connects all into the Swift command and makes it one easy process for yourself to play music or do any bits and pieces in the Caravan. Then you've got a little bit of a smaller one. This gives you that extra space. As you go around, you've got the nice branding just above the windows. Come around to this side, complete the same as that, as they are completely identical across the either way. So you've got a nice bit of storage. The L-shaped lounge does pull out into a nice bit of, into like a king size bed. So as you have a look, you've got all your couple bits and pieces down there, like you've got your water tank sections and the water and heating systems. Same as you pull this one down, same again. Internal tank. And a few other bits and pieces down there for storage as well. But this does turn into a bigger bed, so as you can see there, it joistens there, which by pulling it up, all it does is fold out. So as it folds out downwards, comes towards you, it'll pull out all the way across. On this left side, we do have a nice TV point with the two plug sockets. So across that whole side, you can fit a TV bracket to the wall if you so choose, or you can just stand it across. And even down here as well, we've got a wireless charger. Just gives you that nice bonus through the Caravan. Then here as well, we've got two cupboards. Both open up nice and easy. It's got all the storage space. You've got your mobile alarm system now which is also connected to the Swift command. You've got the addition to the TV point there. And just a little bit under there where your piping is. Close that too. Then, as mentioned a couple of times already, this is the Swift command module. So this is where all the bits and pieces in this Caravan are powered from. There's a nice touch screen remote, so everything can be controlled from your lights to your water, all the way to your battery level and the heating itself. So it's very simplistic and it's very nice to use. And as we come to a handover, we can go in more detail on it and give you a full breakdown of it being in use. So as you can also see, this is an Audi heating Caravan and it's a central heating wet system. So it's nice and warm in every spot of the Caravan for yourself. Moving across to the left, you've got a nice glass cabinet just for decoration, so you can put a few items in there, make it look fancy, make it more feel more like yours. Then moving down, we've got a few shelves and storage space. As we do a spin, we do have the kitchen area. So the same kind of nice finish across, just nice colours as we go through with the marble effect. Your microwave just here on the left with a nice bit of storage here on the right. So you've got a plate rack inside, you've got where your cups and bits and pieces are. Currently the documents for this Caravan are in here. They will be taken out until you yourself or another person buys this Caravan. Then moving down, we've got the 4-hob oven. You've got 3 gas hobs and 1 electric. You've got the grill with a grill pan inside, the main oven itself, and then a tiny bit of storage down here for any kind of pots and pans that you want to be kept away. Saves having them cluttered around. And as we move up, nice bit of cupboard space here with all your sink bits and pieces in there. And then these just pull out, really simple. You can put them with some kitchen items, keep them nice and hidden away. This one just opens up nice and easy. And you do have this whole section, if I can just find where the opening bit is, just there. So this is a nice cutlery drawer. As you can see, it's quite large, so you can bring all the cutlery you need. And as we move down again, just a nice bit more storage and as you can see inside of it, you've got spacious storage and spacious living. Then as we turn around again, you've got your tool fridge freezer here. So with the freezer section just up here at the top, all the control buttons for all the bits and pieces here, so you control, as you can see, all the temperatures, batteries, turn it on auto, or any bits and pieces, which again, we can explain to you more in depth as we come to handover. As you take a look on the inside, you've got all that storage space, so if you're going away for a weekend, or even a week, you've got all that space for it all. Moving up again, got a bit more storage, you've got your satellite, you've got your solar panel charger just over there. As you can see, it's shining green, so it's showing it's working. And you do have, again, a little bit more storage underneath just to keep all the clutter away. Last bit of it in this area, you do have a nice little hidden cupboard. So you've got 2 bits of shelving, and then you've got your folding away table hidden away there. So now, as we move further down the caravan, we come into the bathroom area, which as you can see, first thing you come into is a nice mirror in the middle, just as a thing for getting ready. Cupboard down here at the bottom, split into shelving space, there's a nice storage. As you look to my right, you've got the shower, which is a nice round shape, still plenty large enough so you don't have to worry about having to cram inside. We've got an omni vent above us to circulate all the air out, with some more shelving space just to make it look a bit more homely and a bit more to yourself. As we turn around, you've got another mirror just above the sink area here, with the toilet down here to the right. Another covered area to here. And moving up again. Just another one there as well. Just means you can keep all your bathroom appliances hidden away and it's just all kept nice and neat. Then as we move to the end bed, as you can see, you've got a plenty large bed. So you can squeeze both of you on, don't have to fight for the side. And then you've got both wardrobes on both sides with some drawers down the bottom. As you can see, you've got some plug sockets on that side. And if I could just turn it round enough, you have got some plug sockets and light switches on this side. Then, main bit in here, you've got your TV point here against there, so you can put a bracket up against it. Makes it easier so you can lay in bed, be comfortable, don't have to worry about getting up and going to the living room to watch it, you can just drift to sleep. So, as we come into these wardrobes, as you can see, this one's got the Audi fluid in. They are identical on both sides. So, as you can see, you've got loads of storage space for all your bits and pieces. Moving down, you've got a cupboard here, which is split into a large bit at the bottom and a small little shelf here. So you can put some clothes you want to just kept folded away, kept a bit more neat. It's a perfect little spot for it. Then, moving up, these are the last bits and pieces. The overhead lockers on these two are both completely identical, split into the smaller shelving space and the large space at the bottom, just to give that added storage in the bedroom area. So now I'll just give you a brief walkthrough so you can get one last look at the caravan before I take you around the exterior of it. One last thing I did forget to mention is you do have a fan master here, so all as you turn it on, at some point it won't turn on now because it hasn't got a battery, but as you have a look from underneath, you've got the 2 fans, you switch it on, circulates all that cooking smell out and gets it out of the caravan so you don't have to worry about it. So we're now on the exterior of the caravan, and as you can see, we've got the front locker, which goes all the way around with the nice matte black carbon finish. It is large enough to contain up to 2 gas bottles, along with coming standard here at Grantham's with a steady winder, a water pump, an electric cable, and a step as well. As we move across to the A-frame, as you can see, this doesn't come installed with the ATC module, making towing a smoother experience. Moving across to the left-hand side, you've got the nice decals down the side with the grey walls, which kind of merge together with the white. So it just has that nice touch to it. You do have an external shower point here as well, with where your water intake section will go. Then you've got where the leisure battery goes, as well as your electric hookup. So if you're on site, and whether or not you're moving the movers, the battery will operate, or if you're just hooked up, that's where it will put into on the left side of it. Give you a look on the downside, and then we've got the nice diamond cut alloys. So this is where your toilet cassette will go. So as you open it up, the toilet, you pull it out, and then any kind of waste from that goes into there and just gets wasted. Simply as that. Then we've got a nice little outside storage department just here, so it can be accessed from just the outside. So it just pulls open, slot the items in, and pull it back closed. Simple as that. Then as we move to the back end of the Caravan, you've got a similar design across the bottom here as you do across the front, which goes across the front locker. And then the main standout point is the bike rack area. So where you can get a bike rack fitted to here at just a cost of $457.99. So it is a thing that is standard in all Swifts, and it's a nice beneficial thing if you're someone who likes to go and do some activities or just go for a cycle. So as we take it round to the habitation side, you've got the same external locker matching the other side just here. All the same decals down the side. And the main standout points is you've got the 3 bits here. You've got an external gas barbecue point, the TV point, and then a 230 volt socket as well. And the last but not least is the another external point here, which just comes under the lounge. So it's another storage bit, making it easier for packing your Caravan when you're first ready to go on your holiday. So there we have it for you. That is the Swift Elegance Grande 850 2023 model. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do have any further questions regarding it, please feel free to contact me or any other salesperson here at Granthams at 01476 560599. Thank you. Take care.